Welcome to Law Tube. You are watching top law news every day. But before we begin with the top law news of the day, if you have come to LawTube for the first time, please do subscribe LawTube and click on the bell icon for notification so that you will never ever miss latest law and legal news update on LawTube. We also thanks to all those who have subscribed LawTube. So stay tuned for latest law and legal news update every. To begin with today's law news, Justice Dipankar Datta was sworn in as the 45th new Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Justice Dipankar Datta, who is the 45th Chief Justice of Bombay High Court, assumed office as Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Justice Dipankar Datta, a senior judge of Calcutta High Court, was on Tuesday sworn in as the new Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. The oath of office was administered to Justice Datta by Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Kishori at a brief swearing-in ceremony held at Raj Bhavan today. Justice Datta succeeds Justice Bhushan Pradyumna Dharmadhikari, whose term as Chief Justice ended on April 27, 2020. Due to nationwide lockdown imposed for combating the pandemic of COVID-19, Justice Datta travelled from Calcutta to Mumbai by road starting April 25, covering a distance of more than 22,200 km. Here is good news for summer vacation. There will be no summer vacation this year for High Courts and District Court in Karnataka, Orissa too. The Karnataka High Court has issued a notification stating that there shall be no summer vacation to High Court and all District Court, Trial Court in the state during the year 2020. The notification read that in view of the resolutions and decision taken by the full court of Honorable High Court of Karnataka on April 13, 2020, there shall be no summer vacation. As per the High Court calendar, summer vacation is from April 27 to May 23. Further, the full court of Orissa High Court was also resolved to suspend the ensuing summer vacation 2020 of the High Court as well as the subordinate court if the lockdown is not extended beyond 3rd May 2020. The summer vacation of the Orissa High Court was scheduled for May 18 to till June 16. The decision is in suit with the High Courts of Bombay, Madras, Karnataka, Delhi and Telangana. The Ministry of Finance introduced online hearing through video conferencing facility in all 5 DRTs. The Department of Financial Services under the Ministry of Finance on Friday, with the help of the National Informatics Center, has introduced online hearing via video conferencing in 5 debt recovery tribunals across the country, keeping in mind the objective of social distancing in order to combat the pandemic of COVID-19. Initially, DRT-3 Delhi, DRT-3 Kolkata, DRT Dehradun, DRT-1 Chennai and DRT-3 Mumbai has been identified for providing this facility. The following prerequisite measures have to be taken by the registrar of the concerned DRTs in order to implement hearing of cases through VCs, video conferencing. The latter states that the registrar of all the concerned DRTs will function as nodal officer for conducting hearing via video conferencing, and the registrar have also been directed to ensure the overall coordination within their jurisdiction for allotment of video conferencing slot to any other DRT under their jurisdiction. The Supreme Court heard 593 matters via video conferencing and delivered judgment in 215 of them in a month during the unprecedented nationwide lockdown due to COVID-19 infections spread in the country. The Supreme Court shuts its door to litigants and lawyers on March 23, 2 days before the lockdown came into force, but opened up to a virtual new way of functioning, albeit with a reduced strength. In normal times, the Apex Court disposes of nearly 3,500 cases on an average a month. 2-3 benches have been taken up urgent matters in virtual courtroom daily during the lockdown period as compared to up to 16 benches hearing in normal times. A total of 87 benches heard 593 cases on 17 working days between March 23 and April 24, according to a data provided by the Supreme Court. The Apex Court has issued a circular on March 23 restricting entry of advocates and litigants in its premises following nationwide lockdown for containing the spread of coronavirus. The Bombay High Court bench at Aurangabad on Monday sought a logical explanation from the state government on its decision to impose a blanket ban on door-to-door delivery of newspapers and magazines, even though print media is exempted from the ongoing nationwide lockdown. Justice Prasanna B. Varale heard the case after taking so moto cognizance of news reports regarding notification signed by Ajay Mehta, Chief Secretary of Maharashtra, and observed in an order dated April 2020. But the bench had also questioned the logic behind allowing printing of newspaper and its sale in stall and shops already established on one hand and the prohibition on door-to-door delivery on the other hand. On Monday, the government leader D.R. Kale filed an affidavit in reply on behalf of the state. Finally, the bench reiterated that there was no logical explanation to the blanket ban. So, Lottie viewers, we hope you enjoyed this video and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe LordTube. So please, if you have any suggestion, views and opinion for the development of LordTube, so please do let me know all your views, opinion and suggestion in the comment sections below. I will be very happy to help update LordTube viewers and respond them. So stay tuned for latest law and legal news every day. See you tomorrow in the latest LordTube. Thanking you all LordTube viewers. Goodbye.